Hi, I'm Veronica from GHG Healthcare Company, a consultant. Stay tuned to the channel to discover the uniqueness of using GHG blood circulatory machine and massaging mattress to teach you and give you the tips on the health benefits and how to use it. Stay tuned. What is a foot massager? A foot massager has been around for hundreds of years and span many cultures. It is frequently being used to improve health and relax the body. These days, most forms of foot massager borrow elements from a variety of disciplines, such as chartreuse and reflexology. This tradition operates on the belief that applying pressure to the more than 7,000 nerves in the foot can relax energetically back blockage in the rest of the body to help alleviate stress and even to speed up injury recovery. Traditional foot massages are performed using the hands, although treatments may sometimes include the use of sticks or rolls to more effectively simulate the relax and ease in the foot. So whether you are giving yourself a foot rub or enjoying a treatment from a reflexologic practitioner, a foot massager can be a rewarding complementary massager treatment that positively inputs and impacts your entire body. That takes us to the health benefits of foot massager. There are many positional benefits to foot massager, which include a sense of balance and well-being. A foot massager can help to relax the whole body, helping you to sleep better and leaving you with a rejuvenated energy to bring to your day. Massaging the extremities helps for the better circulation of blood in feet and calf and also around the body, promoting cells and repair and growth, for stimulating natural blood flow to the feet, for foot reflexology, for general health care. You see why you should consider foot massager. Not only does it give you a better sleep, it helps you with your needed energy to bring out to your day. It energizes you for your day. It's a sense of balance in well-being, and it also promotes cells and repair and growth, for relieving pains and calf angles for foot soles. Not only that, it also stimulates natural blood flow to the feet. That is why considering foot massager is very important. It is very beneficial to our health. Therefore, people that must consider foot massagers are people with these underlisted health challenges are advised to use GHG blood circulatory machine. People that want to weigh up their control, and people that are suffering from the issue of stroke, back pain, lower blood pressure, head itches, splenic and gastric disease, kidney disease, liver disease, sexual dysfunction, and chronic diarrhoea, paralysis, and constipation. Not only that, if a saying that says that prevention is better than cure, why considering foot massager? Must you be under these health challenges before using foot massager? No, of course. Considering it is very helpful to your health, and it helps you a lot. For those who have liver dysfunction, it helps. It really helps. It really helps a lot. And people that do not function in bed, it really helps for sexual function for married men and women. So that leads us to GHC massaging mattress. What is massaging mattress? Everybody knows that a good night's sleep is essential to your health and well-being. If you struggle to switch off when you go to bed, or you are kept awake due to your itches and pain, it's time to do something about it. One of the best ways to aid your sleeping is to experience the magical benefits of a mattress with a massager. A mattress together with a massager. So that will really help you to aid your sleep at night. It's going to help you improve if you're finding it difficult to switch off at night. You roll and roll and roll and you find it difficult to sleep at night. I am telling you that GHC massager mattress is highly recommended for you. You need to consider it. It helps you to switch off at night, to sleep and forget all the worries and problems you have in life. So it really helps. What are the health benefits of mattress massager? Mattress with massaging is so relaxing. With an inbuilt massager system, you can enjoy a massager anytime at the simplest touch of a button. Simply drift off and let the massager function soften away the stress from your day. And it also improves circulation. Massager can help to smoothen your itches and pains by improving your blood circulation. Furthermore, better blood circulation can help with the recovering of your cell and help to eliminate harmful anti-juices from your body. Reduce inflammation in your joints. GHC massaging mattress can help to relieve inflammatory and swelling of your joints. Therefore, your itches and pains can be temporarily reduced and permanently. By often using it, it's going to remove pain and reduce the itches and pains you're feeling through. Improve sleep. It's very essential to a very improving sleep. It's a massager can help you to sleep in many ways. Firstly, it can increase serotonin levels in the body, which can naturally help you to experience a good night's sleep. So why not considering GHC massager? Of course, it's very helpful to our health to drive up the stress of our day. It really helps us. It really helps us in our, especially those who are finding it very difficult. We have loved ones that find it difficult to drive up sleep at night. This massaging mattress is highly recommended for them. If you can, you should buy it for one of your loved ones, which you know it will be very helpful for them, and they will thank you for doing that. So there will be a diagram in the screen. I'll be showing you tips on how to use blood circulatory machine. The screen below, you can see you can use blood circulatory machine in almost 6 ways. In the diagram. So I will start from the man that sits on the blood circulatory machine. It's a man that's with gas suffocation, gas and back pain. He's suffering from this very back pain. So as he sits there, it helps in straightening up and massaging his back pain constipation. And you can see the girl that is putting her knee, one of her legs in the circulatory machine for knee and tight pain. People who are suffering from knee, if you feel like your knee and tights are in pain, you can use that method to massage your knee and your tight pain. And people who are suffering from shoulder pain, elbow pain, hand pain. From the stress from a day, you can be feeling such pain. So you can sit on it. You can see the lady sitting on it, putting her hands on the back. She's massaging her shoulder, her elbow, and her hands all together. Do you see that it has different potentials? And the other one that puts her 2 hands on the machine for hand and elbow pain. For hand and elbow, look as if she's pressing up, is for hands and elbow pain. And the one standing on top of it is for knees pain. The one standing on top of it, you see her like she's squatting up and down on top of the circulatory machine. One is for knee pain, and you can see the other lady, the last lady, who is standing on top of the circulatory machine for veins, heels, and leg pains. It really helps a lot. So why not considering circulatory machine? Is very helpful for our health. And you can see the other lady for massaging mattress. She lay it on the cushion. You can lay it on the cushion, you can lay it on the bed, and you can also lay it on the cushion by it standing. So that this one, she's laying it on the cushion to drift her off of the stress for the day, and she relaxed the whole of her body while she was resting. And the other one, look at her, she put it on the cushion. She put it on the cushion to relax her back on top of it. That also help her. It's a 3 levels of intensive, and it has 5 massaging mode. You can see how the button you will use to press the massaging is already there. So look at her, the way it's so much relaxed, and drift her is so very essential to her health.